Your phone buzzes. You glance down, half asleep expecting a text from a friend. Instead, ballistic missile threat inbound. Seek immediate shelter. This is not a drill. A missile might already be in the air, and you have minutes, not hours, to figure out what happens next. Most people picture sirens, soldiers, something dramatic. What's actually documented looks nothing like that. It looks like you, alone, staring at a glowing screen, with no idea if the words are true. If North Korea launched at Hawaii right now, you'd have 12 to 20 minutes between detection and impact, barely enough to get your family into one room. This isn't a hypothetical arsenal. North Korea's stockpile sits around 50 warheads, with material for dozens more. Their largest confirmed test is several times Hiroshima, severe damage for a mile or more, which is why officials don't tell you to evacuate. No traffic pattern gets you meaningfully farther in 15 minutes. The only real move is underground, away from windows. But here's what should actually scare you, and it isn't the missile. Detection is nearly instant. Satellites catch a launcher's heat within roughly 20 seconds. Flight time to you runs 33 to 40 minutes, most of it spent on one question: real or a test about to splash down harmlessly, like dozens before it have? That assessment alone can eat several of your only minutes before a warning reaches your phone. This exact scenario already happened to people like you, and the system built to protect them failed in a way almost nobody remembers correctly. Picture it: a Saturday morning in January 2018. You're in Hawaii, coffee in hand, and this exact alert hits every phone in the state, word for word. You don't calmly execute an emergency plan. You climb into the bathtub. You shove your kids into a storm drain because it's the only concrete thing nearby. If you're the father who hid his daughter in the tub, you're certain you're about to lose her. Later you'll learn 28% of people who lived through it believed exactly what you believed, that it was real. Somewhere nearby, a state employee clicks the wrong option during a shift change drill, straight through a confirmation screen built to stop this. Within a minute, your false alert is on every phone in the state. Here's the number that should disturb you. It takes 38 minutes for officials to send the correction. Not seconds, minutes. If a real missile had been in the air, you'd be dead before the system finished agreeing how to say it was a mistake. And Hawaii isn't even the closest call. Twice before, someone in your position guessed instead of knew. A Soviet officer in 1983 staring at 5 phantom launches that were only sunlight on clouds. A Russian radar operator in 1995 mistaking a research rocket for war and arming the nuclear briefcase. The only confirmed time in history. Both times, one gut feeling is the only reason you're watching this video. The real lesson: the danger was never a lack of technology. Detection works. The danger is the slow, human process of turning detection into something trustworthy enough to act on before the window closes. A real missile takes about 30 minutes to cross an ocean. That gap, not the warhead, is the most frightening part of this scenario. So ask yourself, what happens the day the person on duty guesses wrong? After Hawaii, the state added safeguards. 2 people must now confirm any alert, and a one-click cancellation that didn't exist before. Next time your phone buzzes at 3 a.m. and it's just a spam text, notice the half second of dread before you check it. That half second is the system working exactly as intended. In Hawaii, it lasted 38 minutes, and for the people inside it, there was no way to tell a mistake from the end of everything.